Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Katrina of Katrina's Corner, yes, and you are here. You are on Katrina's Corner. We're in a totally different location today. I have a lot of Shein stuff, and listen, Shein be the way, okay? Let's get into this Shein haul. Shein? Really, Katrina? Let's get into this Shein haul. So the bodysuit we have here is so soft. It's not itchy at all. The mesh is very stretchy. I didn't need to size up, and the snaps were very strong at the bottom. So I love this bodysuit. The jeans here fit so well. They like cradle my curves perfectly. They're not smashing my butt. It's stretchy, but not low quality. They're not as long as I would like them to be, but I think that is the style, and it does look really nice on. And I was just here for the fit. The colors was everything. And here we have the leather halter neck corset. The snaps are snaps in the front. They're not buttons, just so you know. It fits tight on my bust, so I would say for the bigger bust girls, just be careful with that. The snaps were strong though, so they didn't like pop or anything, which is amazing. And this is like the perfect brown for me. So as you can see for these pants here, the waist is really loose. I sized up and I shouldn't have, but I also feel like I should have because the calf area was very, very tight. So the sizing was just silly with these. Pretty much damned if you do, damned if you don't.
Oh my God, what is that?
These pants were a disappointment. So here we have our figure graphic tee. I probably should have sized up. It was tight on my arms and my chest and my shoulders. Now I'm a broad chick, so normally that'd be the story of my life. It's a soft material. It's that cheap polyester material, but it's definitely trendy, and we love the trendy vibes. Here we have this high waist denim skirt. It's stretchy. It's got the shorts under it. I'm here for the coverage. I sized up, which I think was a good choice, and it's just so cute. And the side pockets add a nice touch. And we have this bag here. She's silver. All of this is very trendy. Like, this is the outfit a lot of the girls have. This bag is so cute. My phone fits. My lip glosses fit. It's very cutesy, very trendy, very Y2K, and that is the vibe. So for starters, these both items are sold separately. They are not a set. As you can see, the top is a one shoulder. I did not need to size up or down. It's not too special. Really, it's just a chill top. And you can alternate the sides, which is also great. The tie-dye flare pants, though, girl, I cannot stop wearing these pants. I'm wearing them while I'm editing. Like, what? They are the perfect fit. I did not need to size up or down. They're long enough for the tall girls. So we love that. We're here for it. Here we have this cami top. I sized down in it and I'm absolutely in love with this top. I find every excuse to wear it. It was the perfect choice to size down because it has that like foamy material that holds to you. It supported my chest, which was great. It's low in the front and high in the back, which I like that illusion. So with these shorts though, I had to size up and I'm actually happy that I did. They're very thick, they're very sturdy, but there is no stretch. I feel like the fit is a little weird though. I feel like it's smashing my butt, but whatever. This bag here is actually from Temu. I'll leave the link in the description. I just thought it was so cute. The distressed look on the bag went so well with the distressed shorts. So, period. Lord Jesus. Child, anyways, this dress got me nervous. Anyway, I'm definitely going to need some sort of black undergarments to block the mesh portions, but they go all the way down, as you can see. The cup was pretty good. I feel like if you have bigger girls than mine, you'd still be able to fit it. There's not much support, but that's why the good Lord made adjustable straps. Ooh, hair flip, period. Look at me. Shein, hit me up. You need a model like me. Come on. See, this just had me hype. I think I was, as the kids say, jugging. Let me stop. I'm literally only 23. But this pink is so vibrant. Oh my gosh. Like, what? This is the perfect beach little vacation dress, but it is see-through, as y'all saw. I was feeling myself. It was the perfect size. I did not need to size up or down. If I had sized down, the chest portion would have been too tight. The bottom portion would have been perfectly fine. The dress length falls on me so well. I'm just so in love. Like, I need somewhere to go. This is screaming Cancun, Tulum, Bali, boo, period. Now, listen, Linda. Listen, Linda, listen. This fit is everything. This fit was so 70s. Just, oh my gosh. Definitely need some fashion tape for the girls. But this top is so cute. I love the O-ring. I love the collar. The buttons I can't be bothered to put together. They fit, but I'm just not bothered to put them together. There's a zip on the side, which I think is great for getting in and out of the shirt. I feel like I could have sized up, but at the same time I do like how it holds to my chest. So these pants though, I sized down because of the reviews. Do not listen to these people's reviews. I should have sized up because it wouldn't have been see-through. It wouldn't have been as tight to my body. The fabric wouldn't have been shiny. You would have seen more of the texture if I had been able to get it in my regular size. But even with sizing down, it was very tall girl friendly and I was still feeling myself. Alrighty, so that is the end. Woo! Finally, girl, it is hot. It's always hot when I end a video. I'm always talking about how it's hot, but it's hot. Like, it's hot, girl. Everybody, it's hot. It's hot. But that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really do like any of these pieces, let me know. Let me know, because, you know, I ain't say I was a fashion Zulu. I think I did pretty well. The bags wasn't so much this haul. It was really on the looks. I have a lot of bags that I can wear with these looks already. And they don't come from Shein, so can't even include them. I included that one just to cheat. Like, it's distressed, the shorts are distressed. It's just, it was gonna go together. It was right. Oh my goodness. Once again, I'm gonna ask you to do what I always ask you to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified for all the new videos I post from this point on. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite outfit and what you think my favorite outfit is, because if you've seen, I normally, you know, I be having a tell. I be having a little tell. So if you can tell, let me know down in the comment section. And I just want to talk to y'all. Talk to me about anything. It don't matter. Like I said in the last video, anything goes. I don't care. Now, stay prayed up. This world is crazy.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town.